Mmm. And jelly beans. And lollipops. You should go look in the living room, Leah. Over here.
What's that?
Is that your kitchen?
Is it a kitchen?
Are you gonna make me supper now?
Giant lollipops. Open the cupboards. What's in there? It's an oven. What's in the fridge?
Microwave.
It's a microwave.
What's in the fridge? There's food in the fridge.
And that's it.
Napkins, yeah.
And chips.
Leah likes the chips.
Go eat them in your kitchen.
Can you say happy birthday?
Just eat them in your kitchen.